Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to repost someone's story on Instagram. Alright, here I have opened my Instagram. Then we're going to repost a story that we're tagged in. Just remember guys that we can repost story only if we are tagged or mentioned in that story. And if we have tagged in, we will get notification on Instagram direct message right here. So just tap on Instagram direct message on the top right corner of our screen, and this is someone who tagged me on the story, and just click on it. Then if we want to repost that story, we can simply click on the story right here, then click on add to your story, and click on your story right here. Alright, and we have reposted that story on our Instagram, and let's check it together guys. Just click on the story. And alright guys, this is the story that I have just reposted, and that's how we can repost someone's story on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.